Hi! So today we're going to do something just a little bit different, and it's not to do with the train. So we are going to do a Bloody Mary deviled egg. So today you're going to eat your alcohol, which is going to be fun, right? So we're going to just cut these bad boys in half. Voila! Then we're going to take a spoon and we're going to scoop out the yolk. Voila! Bam! Make sure we get all that out of there. And do the other side and bam. So got that part done. Now on to the next. We're going to cut the little ends off so these guys stand up straight. And you know, I didn't tell you this, but these are hard-boiled eggs. I thought you knew. So, didn't think I needed to tell you. But I will tell you that if y'all don't have a hard-boiled egg maker, they're like $14 on Amazon, and they're your best friend, right? You put the eggs in them, you click a button, and in a couple minutes you have perfect eggs every single time. Although if you don't want to spend that $14 and you just want to do it the regular way, that's fine too. Just make sure that you, after you boil your eggs, you put them in a nice ice bath. So, and make sure you put vinegar in when you're cooking them, so that way the shells come off really easy. And there is like a thing on TikTok where actually you can like blow the shells off. I haven't figured it out yet, but they do it on TikTok and it looks really cool. So anyway, back to what I was doing. I'm just taking this little end off here so they stand up nice and straight. So now we're going to start with adding in these ingredients. I have 1 tablespoon of mayo. I have 1 teaspoon of cocktail sauce, 1 teaspoon of horseradish, 2 teaspoons of spicy mustard. Ooh, that's a lot of noise, isn't it? Okay. I'm going to add in 3 dashes of Tabasco. I like green Tabasco, so that's why we're using that. I'm going to add in 3 dashes of Julienne Perrins. I called it that because I can't pronounce it the other way. Or a little bit more maybe. And I'm a little messy. I'm going to put in just 1/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then we're going to do some pepper, ground pepper, and this is just a taste, so you can do as much or as little as you like. I like pepper, so I might be a little bit heavier on this than some people, but. And then some salt, again, it's to taste. I'm not as big of a salt fan, so probably not as heavy as some other people. Some celery salt, and this is again to taste. Okay. All right, now this is going to be where we're going to drink our food. I'm going to put a 1/2 ounce of vodka in there. I'm not going overboard because I don't want this to be too thin. I need a little kicker. Now we're going to get this all smushed together, or smushed up. So you want it to be pretty creamy. And if it's too dry, you can add, you know, a little bit more mayo or, you know, a little bit more vodka, which, you know, will be my preference. So I'm going to always choose vodka over mayo. Now we're going to take this whole bay, we're going to put it on the plate here. And get it up there. And take these guys, and we're going to just dunk them in the Old Bay, where we get nice little Old Bay rings around our egg guys, so they look pretty. And that is a word in the South. Purdy. So now they're going to look pretty, and they're going to stand up, and they're going to have alcohol. It's a whole new Bloody Mary egg. All right. I'm going to finish these guys up. So before we finish, I feel like I need to do a little shot here. This little shot glass stays in the freezer so it gets really super cold. Really sure, I can't remember where Jeff said it came from. Finland. It came from Finland and it stays super cold. So, cheers. Oh, that's good. Okay. Now I can finish. All right, so I got the egg mixture in a bag. I don't have the little fancy bag, so I had to use a Ziploc bag, which, you know, you can do. I'm going to cut the little tip off, and we're going to go ahead and get these guys filled up. We're going to garnish these bad boys and then do the taste test. So I'm pretty excited. So we got some bacon. I've got all the egg mixture in here. So we're just going to push the egg mixture that I've already got piped in here up to the front. We're going to put the bacon down in the back. I'm going to take just a piece of leafy lettuce, stick that in there. I've already cut it all up, so we're gonna put that in there. Oh, I said lettuce, I meant celery. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so it's, you know, I had a shot of vodka. So that's celery. And then we're gonna take this shrimpy guy and we're gonna stick him all the way down. So stick him in there, just like that. Okay. And once he's in there, and the egg's all up front. Oh, let me get that back up there. Get it up there like so. The last thing that we do is I am going to take a little bit of paprika, and I am going to just sprinkle it over the top just to make it look pretty. You don't have to do a whole lot, but you just want it to look kind of pretty. So that's what the finished product looks like. I'm going to finish them up, and then we will do the taste test. All right, these guys are all plated up. They're ready to go. You can tell us about presentation. Take these guys to a party for an appetizer. People are going to think that you're like really impressive, or maybe they won't. I don't know. But I'm ready to try them. So let's take this guy. We're going to put the whole thing in my mouth because I have a big one. All right, here we go. That's very good. These are awesome. These are the best appetizers I've ever had. Alright. I can't tell you how good these are. You have to try these. Please try these. And tell me what you think. They're super delicious. I love these. So I'm going to go back to eating them. I hope you try them. Let me know what you think. And cheers.